and I was like, shut the front door. It's like Charlotte Tilbury like looked into my brain before she packed this. I was like, yes. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another day of Vlogust, where I'm uploading a brand new video at 6 o'clock every day in August. Today, oh my god, is such an exciting one. But before we get into it, if you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below. The giveaway actually includes the eyeshadow palette that I've got on today from Makeup Revolution, so make sure you go check it out. It's a really good one, really amazing. Make sure you check it out. So yeah, anyway, let's just get straight into it. Today we're going to be doing my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box unboxing. I've already opened it because there was no way in this earth that I was waiting until I could film a video, because I got this days and days ago. So let's just get straight into it. This cost me £140. It's apparently got £280 worth of stuff inside, but there's even more. There's even more bargains, even more good stuff that came with it. So let's just get straight into it. So when the package arrived, it was beautifully packaged. Oh my god, it was gorgeous. And obviously then it came in this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury box as well. And then obviously when you opened it up, it was all wrapped up beautifully. I really opened it so carefully so I didn't rip anything, because I paid 140 quid for this. Do you know what I mean? So one of the things that I thought was absolutely amazing with this is they had samples on the website. So if you spend so much, or if you put an order in, you automatically get samples anyway. But they also had one there, if you spent over £120, you got 2 mini lipstick samples, and you also got 1 full-size lipstick as well for free. How unreal is that? Obviously you didn't get a choice on what it was going to be, but you got a full-size lipstick. So the two kind of samples that I picked, the first one is the Magic Foundation, which just looks like this. I've also got some more little sachets of this from like the Feel Unique pick and mix and stuff, so I'm definitely going to be doing a Foundation Friday, testing it and seeing what it's like. And I love the fact that I've got quite a few different shades as well to see what one's going to be best for me. The other one that I got is the Flawless Filter sample, the Hollywood Flawless Filter, because I really want to try this. And it has all 7 samples in here as well. So yeah, really excited to see what that one's like. Obviously I'm guessing it's only going to be a small sample, but it's better than nothing. So the first 2 mini lipsticks that we got look like this. So these are from the Hot Lips collection, which I don't actually own really much Charlotte Tilbury stuff. So obviously I don't have all the stuff that I've got, there's only one thing that I've already had, and that was literally only because I bought it last year in Paris. Otherwise I wouldn't have had that anyway. The rest of it is stuff that I do not have. Oh, and a primer, which came with the Paris stuff. Anyways, so yeah, the first one is this one, which is a little leopard print one. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is in the shade Patsy Red. Just looks like this. And then the other one is another Hot Lips one, and this one just comes in this little packaging, and this obviously again is a little mini. This one's in the shade Viva La Vergara, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a really dark one. This one's going to be gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Why are you, there we go. I was thinking, why are you concentrating over here? But yeah, really nice. It's going to be absolutely stunning for more like the wintry months that we'll start coming into soon, because it just seems like this year is just flying by. And then the other one is obviously the full size sample that we got as well. So this is from the Pillow Talk Diamonds little lipstick collection, and this is in the shade Lucky Diamonds, which is, oh, honestly, the packaging is just stunning. Like, Charlotte Tilbury just absolutely nails packaging. This one's in the shade Lucky Diamonds, like what I said, and this is sparkly. Like, it is so sparkly. It looks like it could be an eyeshadow. It is so shiny. I'm really excited to try it. I'm not too sure what kind of lipstick combination I'd do with it, but yeah, I'm excited to try it regardless. So that was like obviously the stuff that you got for free. The rest is obviously what you got in the goodie bag, and like, oh my god, this mystery bag is just amazing. Look at that. And I was really excited because all the other mystery bags that I've looked at when they've brought them out before, and I've watched reviews on it because it sells out within hours, I've always included like a big full size of like their magic cream, which takes up a lot of the cost of the bag, so obviously you don't get as much stuff in it. Whereas this one, even though it was like a glowy kind of themed one, like a glowy summery one, it hasn't got any skincare in it at all, which I'd love to try their skincare, but you all know what I'm like. I'm so much more of a makeup kind of person. So yeah, when I opened this up and saw how many products were in it, I was like, wow. Wow. So the first thing that we've got is the Wonder Glow primer, which is like this. Have I just put that on me? No. I thought I got the lipstick on me then. So this is just obviously a primer. It's an Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer. I have a couple of these minis on the go, just literally from getting them in like the Feel Unique beauty kits and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not going to open that one until I've started using up my littler ones. I also have this, which was the one that I bought in Paris. If you remember like my Paris video when I went to like Disneyland and stuff, I took my friend, I basically surprised my friend with a trip to Disneyland for her birthday, which was just amazing. But I bought this one in Paris, so I think I might sell this just to earn a little bit of money back. I'm going to check to make sure that it's the same colour, but it's the Spotlight Beauty Light one, which is a highlighter, and then it also has a mini of the Wonder Glow in it as well. So I'm not going to swatch that one or anything like that until I know that it's a different shade. If it's the same shade, I'm just going to sell it. The other one is a Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. When I saw this, I was thinking, please give me a good colour. Please do not give me like a bright orange or something like that. Give me something wearable. And when I opened it up and saw that it was this colour, I was like, yes! I was absolutely buzzing because I thought if I was going to wear any kind of matte liquid lipstick, it would be like a bold dark colour. A bit like what I've got on today. It wouldn't be like my typical darker lip liner and lighter lip in the middle. And if it was, I'd put a lip gloss over it anyway. So when I opened this and realised it's in the shade Screen Siren, I was like, yes! Like you literally could not have picked a better colour for me to have in a liquid lipstick. It just looks, oh, it looks gorgeous. Look at that. I'm really excited now for like winter and just cold months. I'm just really excited for it, and I just think that it's just a gorgeous shade for me to get. You knew about two of the products when you bought this box, and one of them was the Legendary Lashes in Volume 2, so that's their mascara. I'm not going to open that because I've got like, I think I've got 5 mascaras open at the moment, so I'm not opening any more up. And I think you also knew that you were getting the Wonder Glow as well. That's the only ones that you knew that you were going to get. The next one, I'm not going to lie, I was like, yes! I was absolutely buzzing when I seen this, and I was like, please give me a good shade. Please don't give me like a stupid shade. That's just not going to look very nice on me. This is the Cheek Too Chic Swish and Glow Blusher. So it has the outer colour and it has the one in the middle for the pop. And I was thinking, please, please, baby Jesus, please give me something good. And they did. This is the shade Ecstasy, which would be one that I would personally pick up and one that I would actually pick myself. So I'm so excited to try this. If you want me to do a full video kind of first impressions and stuff like that, I will happily do that. Leave a comment down below because I'll do that for you, baby. I'll do that. We also have a full size of the Hot Lips lipstick as well. Again, just in a mint colour. Like, the packaging is stunning, like absolutely gorgeous. Just looks like this. And it's a nude, which is the one time that I would use a bullet lipstick would be if it's a nude. And look at that. That is gorgeous. This is Angel Alessandra. It's just... wow. I saw some of the people's videos, and I know that somebody got like quite like a bright pink liquid lipstick, and I was thinking, oh my god, I'm so glad that wasn't me. Like, she was really happy, which I was so happy for her, but I was thinking, I'm so glad that I got a darker one, and that nude lipstick is just stunning. We also got the Eyes to Mesmerise Long Lasting Easy Colour eyeshadow. So this is in the shade Rose Gold. Again, a gorgeous colour, like such a nice colour. One that, again, I would pick because I love Rose Gold. Yeah. Charlotte Tilbury just did me so well with this one. Should I do a little swatcheroo? Don't know if you can see it on the end there. I need to start using kind of creams and them kind of products on my eyes because it's never really something that I reach for, and I feel like I'm missing out on just having like a really simple eye look, and I think that's gonna be the one. That's gonna be the one. Another eye product. This is second from last product in this little tub. This is the Colour Chameleon Colour Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil. And again, I thought, please give me a nice colour, please, baby Jesus. And when I opened it, it's in the shade Amber Haze, which I think is going to be stunning for my kind of, what's the word, like my kind of eyeshadow, my eye colour. So it's like this one here, so it is like a brown, but I think it's just going to make my green eyes pop, and I feel like it's just such a good natural shade. Like, it's not something that I look at and be like, when am I ever going to wear that? Like, what an absolute waste. It's one that I would pick. Like, how crazy is that? So the last product, right, so this one was hid underneath the blusher, so I'd already had a meltdown over how amazing the blusher was, and then I saw this product underneath and I was like, shut the front door. What? Are you actually kidding me? I've never seen this in their mystery box. In the mystery box that I pick up, it has it. This is the Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. And like, I have wanted this since the beginning. Like, since it first came out, everyone raved about it. I've always wanted it. My cousin Amy has always raved about it. It just, I've always wanted to try it. But it's just so expensive. Like, so ridiculously expensive. And now I've got it. I'm buzzing. So the packaging is next level. So you take the sides off like this, and then you open up the top, and then the bottom, and then the sides. Oh, it was like a full experience when this came. So this is in the shade Fair to Medium, my shade. It's like Charlotte Tilbury like looked into my brain before she packed this. Obviously I know she didn't pack it, but you know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So it has the sculpt and highlight. I haven't even swatched it. I haven't even... Oh, that mirror's good. Oh, that mirror's really nice. Yeah, I haven't swatched it. I haven't touched it. I daren't. Oh. When I saw that, I was like, I thought I'm going to regret buying this in a way is like, I'm going to get given like a big cream or something, and it's just not going to be something that I'm going to use. When I opened this box, I was so impressed and so shocked. I think I've probably picked one of the best ones to get, I'm not going to lie. Good on you, Lucy, because you've done bloody well. So yeah, that is what was in my £140 Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. And obviously all the samples as well. I really hope you enjoyed this. I've just left this on my bed since it came. Like, I've just had it on show so I can see it all the time because I'm just, yeah, I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video at 6 o'clock UK time. Please go enter my huge giveaway to be in the chance of winning some eyeshadow like the one that I've got on today in the little egg box. I love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye guys.